This is your Arizona Bird Store. Arizona Bird Store has a huge variety of incredible exotic birds for sale, including big and beautiful macaws, Amazons that are funny and entertaining, African greys where amazing talking ability is just one thing they are famous for, and sweet and cuddly cockatoos. And let's not forget about other popular birds as pets, like cockatiels, parakeets, and lovebirds. You'll also find colorful canaries and finches. Our birds are friendly and lovable due to our dedicated staff hand-feeding the adorable babies and handling our birds regularly. And check out these exotic beauties on display at Arizona Bird Store. If you're in Arizona, come on in and visit our newly renovated bird room with an amazing 360-degree, one-of-a-kind, hand-painted mural. Arizona Bird Store has all the supplies that you and your bird need, including toys to keep your bird happy, engaged, and exercised. You'll also find food supplies including seeds, pellets, nuts, fruit, and over 24 buckets of bulk food to create your bird's favorite diet. And we have new and used cages and playpens in every size, color, and shape. Our knowledgeable staff can also guide you to supplements for the health and well-being of your bird. Arizona Bird Store offers professional services like grooming. We recommend doing that every other month. You can also board your bird at our store, so you feel safe in knowing our professional staff is caring for your beloved pet. We also offer microchipping, which is the best way to prove that your bird is indeed your bird. We also have DNA testing so you can know your bird's gender. Arizona Bird Store is the home of the meet and tweet. Come in with your bird and hang out with other crazy bird people. We swap stories and give your bird some good exercise. We meet every first Friday of the month from 7 to 8 p.m. Arizona Bird Store also works hand in hand with Birds Out Loud, a nonprofit organization dedicated to education. This is done in an entertaining way, creating an amazing experience with other exotic birds. And be sure to look for our monthly podcast on the Arizona Bird Store website. Please join our Facebook and Instagram accounts. You'll find links for those in the description for this video. We would love to hear from you and your bird. So fly on in, check us out, and say hi at Arizona Bird Store in Mesa, Arizona. We promise you there is never a dull moment here.